how to create t-shirts on Canva and make a profit. So in today's video, we are going to do exactly what I just said. So first off is we're going to go to canva.com and we're going to go to the search bar and we're going to type t-shirt. And we're just going to click this simple t-shirt here. I'm going to wing this straight off the bat. I'm going to just make a design off the top of my head. So for this video, we're going to just use a free version, but if you want, I do have the pro, but I'm not going to use that. But yeah, you can do it with pro and you can do it with the free version. You just got to look for the ones that don't say pro. So this one isn't a free design that you can use. So we're going to pick one. I'm not sure exactly. We're going to make a quick design. We're not going to overcomplicate this. These are all mad designs that you can use and you can make profit off them because you're allowed to sell these. So this one's a free one. I'm just going to think of something different. Instead of happy face, I'm going to write happy days. And to spice it up, I'm going to add a few things. So first off, I'm going to just have a look at the colors. I might make it yellow. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, that actually looks kind of nice. Maybe I might put a few things in the background. So maybe I don't know, something like let's have a look. A star. Let's have a look at a star. That one's pro, this one's free. I wonder if they have colors. Yes, they do. Let's make this yellow, blue, and we'll make this bigger. I'm not sure if this is going to look good. We'll find out. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to go position, and we're going to put it backwards, and then that's to the back. So that looks okay. It doesn't look too bad. That's one thing you could do. We're just going to keep that there. We're going to muck around with the colors, so let's go red. And we'll just do, for this one, maybe, nah, not green, not red. We'll just do that. And to make this stand out a bit more, can we use effects? Yeah, we can. We'll do like a offset. Have it a bit like that. A bit blurry. Let's have it a bit more like that. Yeah, like that. I might have that more down like that, like kind of like stars falling down. And to spice it up a bit more, I'm going to grab a text. I'm just going to pick any. Maybe this one. We're going to go X. And we're going to go like that. And we're going to make this bright red. And I'm seeing if I can make this white. Can I make that white? Yes, I can. So and I'm going to duplicate this. I cannot remember how to do it. Control C, Control V. Yep, that works. And there we go. A fresh design that we made. So now we are going to upload it and see if we can make some profit from it. So I made a few more like touch-ups on this. I moved the stars down. I reckon it looks a bit more cleaner as like the stars look like they're falling down. So now you want to click up to here, share, and then you want to click download. And I'm just gonna download it as a PNG. And yeah, and if you want to, depending on the design, you can download it as transparent background only if you have Pro. But yeah, just download this for now and click download. And once that is downloaded, it should come down there. And you want to go to store. And now we're going to go to gelato.com. This is a marketplace where you can sell stuff online. It's pretty much a different version of Teespring or like selling shirts online. And the first thing you want to do is connect to a store. For what I did, I didn't know you can connect all these like eBay and stuff like that. I just done custom and I created that. Once I created that, I went to, let's say create, and we'll just call it X for now. And once you have that, you can add a product. And once you add a product, you just go men's clothing, just go in average t-shirt, and we'll just do the best sellers. So now you want to see if you can just drag it. No, you can't. Files, choose file. You can just drag that in here, and you want to click that and just let it load. Now you click that. Happy days. And like I said, you can literally make it a transparent background, and it will look cleaner. For this video, this is what I'm going to show you, like just a random one, but I will actually show you to see what it looks like as transparent. We'll go to have a look. So we'll go here and we'll go download transparent background. And then there we go. Now we'll go back here and we'll go choose file, and we'll drag that back in. And let's see how it looks. We'll click that. We'll get rid of this one. And we'll have a look at that. I don't know what that blue thing is. So you get rid of that. And then look at that. That looks really good. And you just want to make it to the right size. And look at that. A perfect shirt made from Canva. And now you just upload that. Go continue with the details. And then you'd want to just write happy days t-shirt. You know, obviously if you're actually going to post a lot of these, you would want to make sure your description is looking good, your title is looking good, and then just go save. And then there you go, your freshly made t-shirt from Canva is designed and uploaded. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for sticking around and watching to the end. Until next time, I'm out. Peace.